Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Sig 365 accessories is probably one of the most sought-after upgrades for concealed carry enthusiasts and competitive shooters alike, offering a wide array of choices to enhance performance, comfort, and safety. From high-quality holsters and extended magazines to advanced red dot sights and trigger upgrades, the possibilities are endless, ensuring a personalized shooting experience tailored to individual needs and preferences. Number 5. P365 Holster by OWB. This holster provides a reliable and secure way to carry your firearm. Its robust design and advanced features ensure your weapon stays put, even during intense activity. It's easily adjustable to fit your specific firearm and preferences. Use the included Allen key to fine-tune the tension for a perfect, shake-free fit. It's compatible with various Sig Sauer P365 models, including the P365, P365 XL, and P365 SAS. However, please note it's not compatible with models equipped with lasers or lights. Experience the peace of mind that comes with Level 2 retention. It silently locks onto your firearm when holstered, yet allows for a quick, smooth draw with a simple press of the release button. It's crafted from high-quality, upgraded military polymer for superior durability and a smooth, comfortable feel. The hidden buttons maintain a sleek profile, while the skid-proof texture ensures a secure grip. The 360-degree rotating paddle allows for versatile positioning. It comfortably fits various belt widths, and an included silicone pad enhances comfort for direct pants carry. Whether you're a law enforcement officer, military personnel, or simply prioritizing personal safety, this holster offers reliable performance and peace of mind in any situation. What we like. It securely locks your firearm in place, and it fits various models of your pistol. The tension is easily adjustable for a perfect fit. If you prioritize safety and versatility in your holster, this is the one for you. What people say. The barrel goes to the end of the holster but does not protrude, nor is the holster longer than the barrel. The retention button works like a charm, holding the gun securely until you press it. There is an adjustment to snug the pistol into the holster. Once adjusted, there is no rattle. The gun and the holster feel as one. This holster fits excellent on my belt and stays exactly where I put it. The paddle is curved and makes it a very comfortable fit. The cant is adjustable in 3-ish degree increments, so you have a lot of flexibility in how it sits. Fits my P365 XL perfectly, comfortable, durable, good locking neck. Number 4. TekMat Sig Sauer P365 Cleaning Mat. Keep your firearm and workspace pristine. Its soft surface prevents scratches, while the rubber backing ensures it stays put. It's waterproof, scratch-proof, and resistant to fading in oil. The durable dye sublimation printing ensures it will last. With ample room at 11x17, you'll have plenty of space to clean your handgun without moving parts around. It includes a history overview and parts diagram for simple cleaning. Plus, it rolls up easily for convenient storage. Designed and built to last, it's a great accessory that will always be there. Your satisfaction is guaranteed. What we like. This mat is made of tough, scratch-resistant material and provides ample space for cleaning your firearm. It even includes a parts diagram to guide you through the process. If you need a reliable and user-friendly cleaning surface, this is perfect for you. What people say. This mat is good quality, perfect size, and provides instruction for those who may need visual aid. Stylish mat. Protects my guns while cleaning and high quality just like the ones at the ranges. I like these kinds of mats because they are suitably sized, not rigid and easy to store, easy to clean, and of course they have the blown-up, piece-by-piece assembly layout which helps during reassembly and modifications. Number 3. Sig Sauer Foxtrot365. Enhance your vision in low-light situations with this rail-mounted light. It's designed for concealed carry and provides reliable illumination when you need it most. With its CRE-XP, G3 LED and TR lens, it delivers up to 300 lumens of bright white light. Adjust the brightness to suit your environment and extend battery life. This light provides up to 3 hours of runtime on a single CR13N battery. It's also shockproof and weather-resistant for reliable performance. At just 1.9 inches high and 1 inch wide, it's perfectly sized for handguns. Its compact design won't add bulk to your firearm. Ideal for home defense, law enforcement, or military use, it's designed to fit most holsters made for handgun lights. Enjoy convenient hands-free illumination. What we like. It packs a powerful punch of light in a small package and keeps going for hours. This light is perfect for concealed carry and low-light situations. If you need a reliable and bright light for your firearm, this is the best option. What people say. Fits perfect as expected. I like having the light come on when I grab the grip. It's also very easy to not have it turn on if you don't want to, because the slightest relief in your grip on the middle finger and it won't come on. I put 50 rounds down range without having it come on with no problem and was able to still keep a good grip on my gun and keep a tight group. I appreciate this light affixes flush to the barrel and is easy to actuate. Plus, it gives the firearm a very futuristic look. Fits perfectly on in Sig 365 9mm. Excellent job. Number 2. Hogue HandAll Grip for Sig P365. Experience a superior grip with its gentle palm swells. They're designed to fit comfortably in your hand, providing a natural and secure hold. Notice how the finger grooves naturally position your fingers. This ensures optimal grip and control, enhancing your shooting experience. It features the renowned cobblestone pattern for superior comfort and grip. This textured surface enhances your control and reduces slippage. The beavertail design cushions your hand during recoil. This reduces discomfort and provides increased comfort higher on the grip. It's made from a durable thermoplastic elastomer. This material is built to last, providing years of reliable service and maintaining its quality. This grip offers a perfect blend of comfort, control, and durability. Experience the difference it makes in your shooting performance. What we like. This grip offers superior comfort and control, making your shooting experience more enjoyable. It's made from a long-lasting material that will stand up to regular use. If you value comfort and a secure grip, this is the one for you. What people say. Takes a few steps, but I made some hot water in a coffee cup through the Keurig and it took no time to install. Looks great and feels great once installed. Thickens the grip to fit your hand better. The grip itself is excellent. It makes the gun far more comfortable to hold and the texture and stickiness is perfect. The palm swells are super effective. Lets me keep the small form factor and have a good grip as well. The grip is nice. Very form-fitting to my hand and gives it a nice look. Very pleased with the performance after using it at the range. Number 1. Streamlight TLR6 for Sig Sauer P365. It seamlessly attaches to the trigger guard of your Sig Sauer P365 or P365 XL. Installation is quick and easy, ensuring a secure fit. Experience powerful illumination with its 100 lumen white LED. It boasts a beam distance of 89 meters, providing exceptional visibility. It offers multiple modes, light only, light and laser combined, or laser only. Choose the mode that best suits your needs. The integrated red aiming laser enhances accuracy. Its output is less than 5 milliwatts, making it safe and reliable. The ambidextrous switch allows for effortless one-handed operation. Switch between momentary and constant light with ease. It's constructed from durable, impact-resistant polymer. It's rigorously tested to withstand impacts from a meter high. What we like. It seamlessly integrates with your pistol and offers both light and laser options for precise aiming. The simple controls make it easy to use in any situation. If you want a versatile and easy-to-use light and laser combo, this is a great choice. What people say. It puts out just enough light to really light up a space, out being so bright that the backsplash from a white wall doesn't blind you. I really love that I can turn on both the laser and the light at the same time and can actually see the dot in dim dark for quick aiming. The laser holds and stays true under recoil if installed correctly and mounted tightly. The light is adequate for short ranges outdoors and just fine indoors. For the size, it is capable and performs well. It provides a satisfactory amount of light and to the degree that makes me wonder if the claim of 100 lumen is a bit low. The red laser is quite bright, but not as distractingly bright intense as a green laser can be. Windage and elevation adjustments to the laser were easily accomplished. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.